everyone, thank you for joining me today on Stacy's Country Cooking. I'm going to be making some chicken tenders and I'm going to bread them with pork rinds. I've chopped them up real fine in a food processor. I'm going to add some ingredients to this. I've got some Parmesan cheese. I've got garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and salt. Then I've got some of this Tony's K-Roll seasoning. This is really good. I've got this in the buttermilk, and I'm also going to put it in the breading. I'm going to mix it up really good. Okay, and in this one is buttermilk and then the Tony's seasoning. I've been letting it set in there for a little while. And then you take a piece tender and you coat it. And I'm going to use a sprayed 9x13 pan. It kind of reminds me of Rice Krispie chicken that my mom used to make us when we was kids. It was so delicious. We always looked forward to it when she had it. Bread them all up. The buttermilk makes the breadcrumbs or the pork rind stick to it. You don't want to crowd it. That way it has room to get brown around it. Then I'm going to take some melted butter. Kind of drizzle it on there. I'm going to stick these in a 425 degree oven until they get brown. Okay, for the dip that we're going to use for the chicken, I've got some ranch dressing here, and I'm going to use a little bit more of this Tony's and sprinkle it in there. And then you just mix it up. This makes a really good dip for your chicken. this is what my chicken looks like. I breaded them with crushed pork rinds and seasoned them. I think they look really delicious. Or if it's too hot to try. Those are delicious. Spicy. Thank you for joining me today on Stacy's Country Cooking. I appreciate all of you all. I hope you have a great day.